Welcome to this installation video for Peak Gutter Guard. In this video, we are going to show you just how easy it is to install our pro-quality gutter guard. First, let's take a look at the tools and safety equipment you will need to successfully install your gutter guard. Always remember to take proper safety precautions when working at height. Now let's get started. Each year, leaves and debris can build up in your gutters. The Peak Gutter Guard will prevent the need to climb up on your roof each year to clean out your gutters. Peak Gutter Guard also helps to prevent clogs, which can damage your roof, walls, siding, foundation, and landscaping. Prior to starting your installation, remove all debris from your gutters. Measure your gutters to find out how many pieces you will need and the correct width, either 4-inch or 5-inch. Each box contains 20 lineal feet of gutter guard. Starting at the leftmost edge of your gutter, insert the back edge of the gutter guard under the edge of the shingles and against the fascia board. Then rotate the front edge of the gutter guard down until it is fully seated on the front edge of the gutter. Screw down the gutter guard using the provided self-piercing screws. Install a screw 2 inches from each end and one in the center. Each piece of gutter guard comes with a small overlap, perfect to connect to the next piece. Continue this method to install the remainder of the straight pieces of your gutter guard. To install gutter guard around the corners, first use the provided template on the inside of the carton to mark the pieces, and then cut using tin snips. Install the corner section with the notch first, and then the other corner section over top. Then fasten to the gutter with self-piercing screws. Congratulations on installing your Peak Gutter Guard!